Good afternoon, students. We are starting our value education class with the chapter The Change Makers. The change makers means the world is going through a way, and when someone is breaking the law for good reason and doing something to change the condition of the world, then it is called the change makers. They are called the change makers. An ounce of action is worth a ton of theory. The sentence means that if we will read a lot of theories and we will not work on them, then it will be no value. The theories will lose its value. So here we are starting the chapter that there are many problems in our surroundings, isn't it? The main problem is pollution, garbage on the streets, beaches, and other public places. The chaotic traffic jams. Chaotic means more sound. More sounds are coming for the when there will be a jam. See, there are many. You will hear that horns of the cars and buses and all the vehicles. It disturbs, isn't it? So we will most of us talk about them, but no one finds the solution to come out from the problems or to stop the problem. Here we will read about Afroz Shah, a man who is called a doer. Doer means who will do something for the society or the neighbors or to change the condition of the world. But Afroz have done, not only talked. He in Mumbai we know that there are many beaches in Mumbai, isn't it? But nowadays it becomes very dirty because people are throwing the plastic bags, food wrappers, discarded tires, glass fragments, that means pieces of glasses, used batteries. We used to throw them in the garbage, and what the municipalities are doing, they are taking it and throwing near the rivers or near the seas, and they are dumping over there, and it is becoming a hill, a small hill like that. Fishermen also complaining about that when they are going for fishing, they are throwing their net to catch the fishes, but the garbages are coming in their net. So they have to go far in the sea to collect the fishes. And these bad things, they are the marine animals, that means the animals those who lives in water, they are eating that, they are having that, and they are getting many diseases. And that fish we are eating, then we are getting the diseases. So fishermen complains about the plastic bags, discarded shopping bags, tumbling out nets, anything, many more. And the Afroz is a lawyer. He moved into one of the high-rise apartments facing Warsaw Beach. Warsaw Beach was a beach near the Mumbai. It is now also. It is not was. It is. And he saw a piles of garbage on the beach, and the pile is high up to 5 to 6 feet. Think, 5 to 6 feet. It already raised, and the marine creatures are getting choked. And Afroz now, what he have thought that he will not complain to others, he will do. So he started to clean the beach in the weekends. In October 2015, Afroz got together with Harvansh Mathur, who was 84 years old at that time. Now he was passed away. Okay. To clean our Warsaw beach. Both of them would pick the garbage and debris every Sunday. So their fingers swells because the glass piece. We have learned that fragments of glasses were there, plastics, and you know that if your hand will cut with a plastic, it becomes septic. So all these things they used to do with the hands. As word spread, many locals started to join the effort. Now the word spread to the locality, and many of them came to clean the beaches. December, the municipal corporation, then when the word spread to many more people, then municipal corporation told that they will help. They will give the trucks and excavator machine. Excavator machine means the machine which will help them to dug the uh, garbages out. Okay. So they made a group and headed by, that means who will be the head of that? Afroz. Okay. They made a group that is called Warsaw Residents Volunteers. And many more people inspired to volunteer from slum dwellers. And they started to clear this beach. Afroz's efforts got global recognition. Lewis Pugh, who was a maritime lawyer, ocean and advocate, and pioneer swimmer, who is also the United Nations patron of ocean. He also joined with them. So did, like that only, Eric Solheim. He also joined, who is the head of the United Nations Environment Program. So he also joined over there, and garbage was covered and the beach at the end of the recently held 11-day Ganesh Utsav festival. So after Ganesh Utsav festival, think all the idols of Ganesha will be put near the sea. The same thing happened. Afroz knocked on the door of the local residents and fisher folks, and he explained that how the environment is getting hampered by all these things, and they all started to help him. And within some days, they have cleaned the all the beach, and they planted coconut trees over there. They cleaned the public toilets over there, and in about 85 weeks, Warsaw Beach, once among the dirtiest Mumbai, was back to its pristine self. That means now anyone can go and enjoy the beach, enjoy over the beach. For his efforts, Afroz was awarded the Champions of the Earth Award of UNEP and declared his project the world's largest beach clean up in history, and he is the first Indian who awarded like this. Afroz says action is more effective than words. That means if we will shout, it will not work so much than if we will do small or little things to do for the society, for the neighbors, okay, around. See, you put it in the practice, and if you will practice, it will clear. Here is another story, a small story of saving lives in memory of her daughter. So in 2010, Doris Francis lost her daughter, Nikki. The name of the daughter is Nikki. In a road accident, the road was near the Delhi-Ghaziabad border on NH24. Doris realized that if there will be a traffic constable who will help to clear the jams of the road, then no accidents will happen there. So she didn't tell anyone for the help. She just wore a salwar kameez white colored and put a cap on her head and started to this untrained mother. That means she is not trained in traffic signaling. Then also she tried to do the job in that place so that no more person lost their child or any accident may occur over there. Even the traffic police, after a few days, she became so good in managing the traffics. The traffic police called her or relied her and requested her to help. She got a letter of appreciation from the Inspector General Border Security Force. She was honored with the BBC's Outlook Inspirations Award in 2016. But the biggest award of Doris was the fact that in her presence not one accident took place at that spot. The brave mother rose above her personal tragedy to serve others and send a powerful message for better traffic control. This she believes in the best tribute to her daughter Nikki. So, here are some words. Action speaks louder than words. This is really. Instead of complaining, we must act to bring about change. If we want any change, we have to do something. If only complaining will not bring any change. We must practice what we preach. Okay, what we are telling others to do, we have to do it first. Here are some meanings. You will read: debris, scattered pieces of rubbish, excavator, a large machine for digging the moving earth, of relating to or bordering on the sea. Pristine means it is in its original condition, unspoiled. So you are trying to do the fill in the blanks in the copy. You will not do in the book. You will do in the copy. Choose the right answer. Okay. And I will give you more question answers related to this chapter in your next class. So till then, goodbye. Have a nice time. Read the chapter and follow as much as you can.